am a huge jewelry fan, and I have been since I was a little girl, when I used to get into my nanny's cupboard and pull out all her beautiful old jewelry and lather it on myself and roam around. And I think ever since that time I've loved jewelry, and this last year I've done some very, very special campaigns for jewelry, and I hope to keep doing them, and this is a very, very special award. So thank you so much for this.
I'm wearing Arpita Mehta, and I've been styled by Anisha, who styles for me usually. I'm a big fan of Arpita's because I think her clothes look like jewelry.
Tell us about your association with this show, this whole event.
I think I think any award function that happens for retailers, it's a fantastic thing because ultimately they're the people who work really hard into making a brand, So I think it's a fantastic thing, and I think it's the third or fourth year that it's happening. And I'm particularly excited about being here because I think jewelry is very special to me. And I've always loved jewelry ever since I was a little girl. I think most girls love jewelry. And apart from everything else, I think jewelry and gold are auspicious. And it's not just, something that makes you look beautiful. I think on its own, it is something to be cherished and passed on for generations. So,
the very first jewelry gifted by somebody you remember, you want to share something, diamond or jewelry?
I think it's a piece that my grandfather gave me, which was a very old piece that belonged to my great-grandmother. So he gave that to me on my 13th birthday, and that's a very special piece for me. But today I'm here to walk for Azwa, and Azwa makes, I think, very stunning gold jewelry. And like I said, gold is a roop of the Devi, and it's very auspicious. So I'm very actually happy to be associated with Azwa, and I've also got the Trendsetter Jewelry Award this year, which is also very special because I think last year I did a lot of jewelry campaigns, so I'm very happy to get.
Do you think the trendsetter in the industry, when female and male both?
I think there are many, and there are many uniquely in their own way trendsetters. But I would say, at least the last year, Farhan Akhtar has done some amazing work, and I love his very casual, but very, very chic style. And I think Deepika Padukone, of course, is very fantastic. But I do believe that there are many people and everybody is unique in their own way. So I find it very difficult to pick one person.
Aditi, what's happening on professional front?
I'm doing 2 films just now, at least at the beginning of the year. I'm doing a film called The Legend of Michael Mishra, which is made by Manish Jha, who last made Mathrubhumi and is a fantastic director. And that is with Arshad Varsi and Baman Irani and Kayoze. So it's a very fun cast. After that, immediately I start a film called Guddu Rangila with Amit Saad and Arshad Varsi, which is directed by another fantastic director called Subhash Kapoor. And so I'm really looking forward to both these. I think they're going to be very, very good films. I hope. Fingers crossed always.
Okay, after Jolly LLB, Guddu Rangila.
I'm here for jewelry.
after Jolly LLB, Subhas is coming with another film, Guttu
Yeah,
Rangira.
yeah.
If you can tell us a little bit about your role, you know, though everyone appreciated Jolly LLB very
I
much.
think it's too. I don't want to make announcements about what exactly I'm doing just now because it's very too early to say. सरप्राइज रहे, नहीं तो बोलते रहते हैं एक चीज़ के बारे में और फिर उसका मज़ा निकल जाता है. So I'd rather wait for a little while before I sort of say something about my character.
Okay, look,